How to register for a class. First, go to My Lasell and click on Self-Service. Once in Self-Service, go to the Register tab. Next, click on Graduate and Professional Studies. Here you may see a message from Student Accounts. If it does appear, read through the text, agree to the terms, and select Submit. If you do not see the message, you may continue. Your next step is to find courses. To search for courses, type in the course code and number, making sure to leave no spaces between them. You'll then choose the semester, and you may select a session if you know it, or leave it blank. Select Search. Once you hit the search button, you'll see a listing of course options. To see the course description, use the link. Here you'll find information such as the professor, the duration of the class, the schedule of the course, and how many seats remain. You can also click on View Textbook Information, which will take you directly to the Barnes & Noble site to list any required text for the course and allow you to purchase that textbook as well. When you're ready to register for a course, simply select Add. You may then proceed to registration or view your card. If you're ready to register for the class, you'll hit Next. If you'd like to go back and make a change, hit Remove. At this time, you'll be prompted to choose a payment method. You can use FAFSA, Pay Later, or Pay My Balance. If you choose Pay My Balance, you will have to submit payment at this time. Once you hit Submit, you'll receive a congratulatory email saying that you have successfully registered for the course. If you'd like to make sure that you have in fact registered for this course successfully, click View Schedule and see the new course.